Hello guys, this is Engineer Vakas Ahmed. I welcome you in my this series of learning project planning and control. Today our lesson is to create activities under WBS. But before getting into the detail, I would request you people to subscribe this channel so that in future if I make any kind of video, you can get that link on time. So how to create our complete project planning? The first initial plan was to create our WBS. I can share with you this right now Primavera P6 dashboard. You can find here we have initially made our designing WBS, procurement, then we have here construction, right? Under construction we have divided into civil works, mechanical works, and then other things like MEP, and you can see right now here. But today's lesson is about how to add your activities. Let's say I'm going to start my job career as a planning engineer. So next, after creation of this WBS, I have to add activities like in basic design, whatever the documentation, how to add these activities. I'm going to right click over here, add, and let's say I'm going to write here submittal, right? And then at the same time, after this, following the procedure, every company have its own procedure, right? And approval like this one, right? And at the same time, when you are going to create these activities in the activities window, you can find here there are parallel bars creation on the other side of your this table, activity table. This is called bar chart area. In the detailed design, again you are going to add the certain process oriented task like this submittal. Okay, these are the company to company vary this procedure. So whatever procedure they are following, you have to follow that one, approval. And then within procurement, we know that there are long lead items. Under long lead items, we have different kind of MEP items, our intelligent transport system, for camera system, for traffic and all that. So for that, we need to add certain process oriented activities, like we are going to make ordering or RFQ, request for quotation. Okay, MR, material acquisition, request for quotation. You are going to invite all the suppliers and then receive bids. Okay, they are going to, this is the procedure of the procurement procedure, right? And then TBE, technical bid evaluation, this is the complete procedure. Okay, and then again click on this add button, add as many as you want activities to load over here. Technical bid evaluation, then approval to one of the suppliers, and then purchase order issue. Okay, then start manufacturing, okay, or production, and then fat or inspection. This is the activity before shipment, you are going to make this one, and then delivery on site. These all the activities you are going to generate to follow the process for a certain work package or cost center. I'm going to share one trick with you people. The same procedure will be followed for the long lead items procurement. So I'm going to make it copy, and the same procedure will be pasted over here like this one. And before going to do this one, you have to inform Primavera P6 don't show. Click on this one, okay, and then again click on this don't show, okay, and click on this button, and it is same as it is copy pasted, right? So again, inside the earthwork, how civil structural like road construction, this is WBS, the construction, then civil works, road construction package, then road section 1. Under that one there is earthwork, right? So you are going to add something like that, layout and marking, site preparation. Okay, site preparation, you are going to add these activities. There is natural ground compaction, NGC. First of all, clearing and grubbing. And a lot of people might be thinking that how we are going to get this series of activities. If you're thinking like that, please write down there in the comment area so that I can get back to you with the clarity of the concept, right? And then natural ground compaction, I will be providing you the more conceptual way oriented video links so that you can have that concept, that who is going to provide you these activities. natural ground compaction, then excavation, and then add, and you have compaction, then add, and you have subgrade. So that is how you are going to add. But remember one thing, that when you are going to add all these activities, the sequence of the activities should be in very good way. Like the first task which is supposed to be performed on the first priority should be entered like in first priority. Like if site preparation is need to be performed on the earliest stage, so I am not supposed to write site preparation on this side, so it should be on the first number. The second number, the as per the site execution sequence, you are going to enter all of those tasks as an activity in that certain sequence, right? So the same way you are going to add up base and course work activities, asphalt works activities, road safety works activities, then furniture works, foundational works, columns, beams, top slab, mep. So that is how you are going to gather data. So there are certain documents going to help you, like BOQ document is going to help you, quantity surveyor is going to help you, designing drawing documents are going to help you, then feed documents are going to help you people to gather the series of these activities, right? And apart from this expertise of Primavera P6, if you are trying to become a planning engineer at professional level and you want to pass job interviews and you want to show some real time experience, then you must join my full training, in which I'm going to take a case study of oil and gas or construction project, and I'm, along with the understanding how to use these features of Primavera P6, I'm going to convey you people how to understand the process, how to manage your data from these documents, how to prepare that data, how to follow the process as per Gulf region industry, and make your planning and control oriented documents. So if you are interested, write down in comments area or contact with my team so that you can part of my next planning engineering professional job training session, right? So that's all for today's session, how to create or add activities, right? So that's all. See you in my next video.